Using metals and plastics, parts can be produced with excellent mechanical properties, precision and repeatability in CNC machining. Waken offers a wide range of commonly used engineering-grade plastic and metal materials for your CNC machining. We can process CNC parts for various industries. Our engineers have extensive knowledge of the characteristics of different materials and understand how various materials can be better processed. We can process common metal and plastic materials, such as ABS, PC, PMMA, PA, PEEK, aluminum 6061, 7075, stainless steel, brass, magnesium alloy, etc. Certainly, if you have special requirements for material selection, we will procure the materials that meet your needs to ensure efficient and high-quality production. We also offer other processes for materials, such as drilling, EDM, tapping and some finishing processes like grinding and polishing for deburring. Guarantee that your parts will be machined with high precision, high complexity and high efficiency. Feel free to keep in touch with us.